Hello viewers, welcome to Ekam Academy. Today we'll discuss about Article 18 in the Indian Constitution. We are discussing concept of the day series. We have discussed 17 articles along with Article 32 so far. So today we'll discuss about Article 18. So what does Article 18 talk about? So first let us see. So as we have seen in the previous topics also, that part 3 of Indian Constitution from Article 14 to Article 18 especially deals with right to equality. So it is trying to give equal rights to all its citizens along with some persons, that means who are not citizens. So as part of this, we are discussing about Article 18, which mainly abolishes titles. So Article 18 of Indian Constitution provides abolition of titles. So what type of titles are abolished? So why they were abolished? So first let us understand why it was abolished. So first thing is, so when some particular rank or a particular award is given, so it can create inferiority complex, right? So it can create inferiority complex. So that is the reason why Constituent Assembly has abolished such things by complete ban on conferment of any titles. So previously in the British rule, we used to have Rao Bahadur, Rai Bahadur, or the things like they used to confer some like titles in case if they were in favor of the British or if they have helped the British and all. So if they have shown the loyalty to the British. So in these instances, British used to confer some titles. For example, Kesari Hind title was also given to our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. So when he supported British in Boyer's wars, right? So in that particular instance, we have seen number of titles were given, knighthood titles and everything. So they used to give and they used to reciprocate that particular thing. But in that situation, what actually happens is it creates some inequalities in the society, so that some persons with that particular rank will be treated as superior and others are treated as inferior. So to stop this particular thing and to resolve this particular issue of inequality, under right to equality from Article 14 to 18, we have abolition of titles. Now let us understand what is clause 1 by 1. So Article 18 clause 1 prohibits the state from conferment of any titles except military and academic titles. So military and academic titles can be conferred. There is no restriction in this regard. So 18 clause 2 of Indian Constitution says no Indian citizen shall directly accept any title conferred by foreign country without the consent of the President of India or the consent of central government. So that is under Article 18 clause 2. Then we have 18 clause 3. So this 18 clause 3 says a person who is not a citizen but who is holding office of profit or who is holding a trust under the state, so cannot accept any like title conferred by foreign government without the consultation or without the consent of President of India. So that means a person who is not a citizen also, like foreigner, but he's still under the office of profit of the state or government of India, or if he's holding any particular trust and if he's been awarded with any foreign title, so that cannot be accepted without the prior consent of the President of India, right? Then so this is ensured actually to ensure loyalty. So the person who is not a citizen also, what is the loyalty he's showing to the particular office he occupied, to ensure that this provision was inculcated. Then we have Article 18 clause 4. So this talks about a person, that means a person who is not only holding office of profit, so he cannot only accept any title, but he cannot accept any present or award or emolument from any foreign countries without the prior consent of the President of India. In this way, certain provisions were ensured from 18 clause 1, 18 clause 2 to 18 clause 3 and 4, right? Then let us understand what is this Balaji Raghavan versus Union of India case. In this particular case, Supreme Court said whatever the national awards that will be conferred, so that is not coming under the purview of Article 18. So but these national awards can be given, but they cannot be used as prefixes and suffixes. So that is what the Supreme Court's judgment in Balaji Raghavan versus Union of India case. National awards like Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Bharat Ratna, those can be conferred. They don't violate Article 18, but they cannot be used as prefixes and suffixes. So one thing we have to remember, here it is, military and academic titles cannot be actually clubbed under Article 18 definition. So that can be actually entertained by the state, but except military and academic titles, any other title cannot be actually conferred by the state. It is a violation of Article 18. Now let us say the practice question. Which of the following statements regarding Article 18 of Indian Constitution are correct? Article 18 abolishes except for academic and military distinctions. Second, Indian citizens can accept titles from a foreign state without prior approval from the President. Titles like Sir and Lord are prohibited from Article 18. So what is the right option? Let me know in the comment section. Then today, as part of the concept of the day, we have discussed about Article 18 of Indian Constitution. What are the provisions from 18 clause 1 to 18 clause 4? And we have seen the important Supreme Court case regarding Article 18. So this is all with respect to today's video. If you liked the video and found informative, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for joining. See you again.